Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video I want to do a live withdrawal, and I want you guys to follow me from the beginning of this video to the end of this video to see how withdrawal is made and to see how long as well it takes estate to credit your private wallet with your money when you make your withdrawal. Okay, now this withdrawal is a combination of my investment profit, okay, which is my real estate portfolio daily profit, plus agent fees and commissions that I'm getting. Okay, so it's a combination of everything. As you all know, I tell you guys how I made my money. Okay, if it is commission, I will tell you it is commission. If it is actual profit from my original deposit for purchasing fractional real estate, I will also let you guys know. Okay, because you guys need to know the difference between the investment profit and the commissions that you get when you are in estate. So very quickly, I am going to go to my account. There are two ways that you can approach your withdrawal. Okay, the first one is just click on your dashboard. Usually when you log in into your estate account, it is default to the dashboard anyway. Okay, so these are all your menus, but when you log in, it is default to dashboard. But in today's video, you could go through the buyer tab. Okay, select or click on the buyer tab, and then you will see these three sub menus as well. Okay, you will see e-wallet sub menu, real estate sub menu, my asset sub menu. Now you need to go to my assets, and then when you click on your asset, you will now view your asset, and then from there you move your profit from your assets to your e-wallet. Okay, now when that is done, it takes about few minutes for them to credit your e-wallet with your profit that you have made from your tokenized property that you purchase, and then you now go to your e-wallet. So select e-wallet, and then right away you will see your wallet balance. Okay, so once all your money is in your wallet balance here, you now click to apply. Now on the e-wallet management section, okay, you have deposit and withdrawal. You will notice that it is default to deposit, right? So select withdrawal because you want to make withdrawal. It is entirely up to you how much you want to withdraw from your total wallet balance. If you want to withdraw everything, then you enter the amount for everything. If you don't want to withdraw everything, you can enter the amount that you actually want to withdraw. Theta TRC 20. Okay, that's where I want to withdraw my money to. Okay, so right now I am going to enter the amount I want to withdraw, 638.52. Okay, I want to take everything, and then remember that there is a 1% charge, okay, when you are making your withdrawal against the money that you are withdrawing. Okay, also bear in mind that when you select to withdraw with USDT TRC 20, the minimum to withdraw is $20. But when you select BEP20, okay, USDT BEP20, you will notice that the minimum to withdraw is $1. So for those of you that are earning up to $1 and they want to withdraw, then make sure that you have entered your payment method as USDT BEP20. Okay, so I am going to select TRC20 because that is the cryptocurrency I want my money to go to, right? So after deducting the 1%, you will see the that they will send to you. Okay, so now I want to enter my 6-digit PIN. Okay, and then click confirm. Now this 6-digit PIN is sent to you when you just finish registration. So if you are making your withdrawal for the first time, please go back to your email. You will see email that has been sent from eState when you just registered with this PIN code. That is the one you need to enter here and click confirm, right? So I'm going to go and fetch my PIN code, and I'm going to enter it there, and then I will click confirm. And then I will click confirm once I've entered my PIN code. So now you will see that the money is gone and you will see that there is nothing left in my wallet. Okay, usually eState pay this money within 5 minutes. Sometimes it's not even up to 5 minutes, right? So right now the time is 2012 on the 28th of January. Okay, which means 13 minutes past 8 p.m. So we are going to see how long it's going to take them to process that withdrawal. Oh, I forgot to mention, you should go to your email as well and check. You will see this email confirmation saying that your money has been processed from your e-wallet. And you will see all the details here. Your withdrawal from eState has been processed. It's that easy. Okay, within maybe 2 minutes, your withdrawal is in your wallet and you will get email confirmation like this. All right. So within 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes, I got an alert from my email saying that a deposit has been made into my Kraken account, right? From eState. As you can see from here, this is the money that has been deposited within few minutes, guys. So eState is working perfectly okay in terms of withdrawal. It's very, very fast. Very, very fast, as you can see from here. So now let's dash to my Kraken account and confirm that deposit. So just to be sure, right? Take note of this quantity of USDT that has been deposited. That is what you are going to see in my Kraken account. So I'm going to dash to my Kraken account just now. And this is my Kraken account, and voila. Okay. You will see that deposited Theta USD, and the date is 28th of January. And that is the amount, okay, of the USDT, 632.13 USDT. Okay, the pound sterling equivalent is 457. That is in pound sterling. It will be higher in dollars. Because I am in the UK, I have set my default currency to be pound sterling. All right, but just take note of the quantity that was deposited rather than the amount. Okay, it's the quantity that you need to check, corresponding to the email they sent me, right? And also in my back office, how much I have withdrawn, as you saw earlier from this video. So eState is smoking hot, guys, for those that are looking for daily withdrawal. It is happening here in eState, guys. It is happening in eState. So don't sit on this. I don't want anybody to sit on this opportunity that is being given to us by eState. It is one of the best opportunities. Okay, the choice is yours, really, if you want to join and purchase a fraction of real estate. Okay, the link to do so is below this video description, guys. If you like passive income, if you like what is called tokenized real estate, if you would like to purchase a fraction of that real estate, the link to do so is below this video description. All the video instructions have been recorded for you to watch. It's not more than 10 minutes. Watch it, know what you need to do, and then get on with it. If you require any assistance, please contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook Messenger. I am available to assist you if you want to start with me in eState. Let's get this started. Let's make some money. Thank you. God bless.